Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai, hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Mursid Setiawan. I'm a student of Civic Education Postgraduate School of Indonesia University of Education. I am the author of this paper, and this paper title is A Model of Community Defending Public Awareness Development in Bandung City. And this is what my research has been looking at, so let's get started. This is the title of the paper that I will present at the International Conference of Project Management. The effort to defend the state independently are contained in the Constitution, namely Article 27, Paragraph 3 of the 1945 Constitution of the Republic Indonesia, which states that every citizen has the right and obligation to participate in the effort to defend the country. The mandate of this constitution implies that the defense of the state is the inherent right and obligation in every element of society to maintaining the sovereignty of the nation and state. The state defense basically aims to protect and ensure the survival of the nation from various threats that come from within and from outside, or internal and external. The threat to a country can be military or non-military, and the threat come both of soft and hard power. Even the current era of globalization, the threat to a country are more multidimensional. The effort to defend of country are very important to be done in order to foster awareness of the defense in the public state. The effort to foster awareness of national defense are the responsibility of every stakeholder. For this reason, the government as a stakeholder has a great responsibility in organizing effort to foster awareness in the defense of the people's state. One of the government roles is carried out by the Bandung National Unity and Politics Agency, which has a program to foster awareness in the defense of the country's public defense. The form fostering awareness program for the defense of the state from the Bandung National Unity and Politics Agency is carried out education and training defending the country and a state defense action program that involves every element of society. Based on this, I'm as a researcher is very interested to studying the defense and education program of the state defense program and the national defense action program as a model of efforts to foster awareness of national defense for the people in Bandung. Therefore, this is study and to describe and analyze the model of fostering awareness of national defending involving various elements of society in Bandung City. This study used a qualitative approach, and the method used in this research was a case study. Data collection technique in this research include interview, observation, and study documentation. Data analysis technique are used in the study include the process of data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion or verification. So here the result and discussion of this research. The responsibility of the Bandung local government in the effort to foster awareness of community defense in practice is carried out by one of the regional apparatus, the Bandung National Unity and Politics Agency. In Presidential Instruction Number 7 of 2018 mandates that each local government is required to carry out state defending action program in accordance with their respective characteristics and authorities which involve all elements of society. The state defense program organized by the Bandung National Unity and Politics Agency takes the form of education and training in state defense and also a state defense action program. The state defense program that was held did not emphasize the military conscription approach, but rather than use an approach to the efforts of defending the country's people, which could be carried out through their respective profession. For this reason, the participants of the state defense cadres who participated in the state defense program from Bandung National Unity and Politics Agency covered various segments of society with various professions. The state defense cadres consisted of every element of society, including youth communities, student organization, youth organization, community organization, RT/RW forum, state civil apparatus, and teachers in school. The efforts to foster awareness of the defense of the state community basically have the ultimate goal of internalizing the basic values of the defense of the state in the participants of the state defense cadres. The implementation of a program to foster awareness of community-based community defense by the National Unity and Politics Agency in Bandung involves cooperation with various elements of the community. For this reason, the organization of fostering awareness of public defense used the pentahelix model. The pentahelix model is implemented in the form of cooperation with various elements. Cooperation related to the place of implementation involved the TNI. The related cooperation invite the participant to involve agencies of or SKPD in the government of the Bandung City, as well as with social organization and youth organization. Collaboration regarding the events source, including academics as well as from the TNI or its own Bandung National Unity and Politics Agency. Cooperation related to logistics and accommodation implicated entrepreneur who open the model printing service or manufacture clothes for the participant. The last collaboration related to publication contained the printing media or online media. Therefore, it can be concluded that the model of fostering awareness of the defense of the state Bandung community used the pentahelix model, which involved various elements including government, society, academics, entrepreneurs, and the media. And here the conclusion for this research. The effort to foster awareness of community defense in the Bandung city are the responsibility of every element of society, whether from the government, academics, entrepreneur, or business, media, and the community itself. For this reason, the pentahelix model is a strategic model to form synergies and collaboration between various elements of pentahelix, so that the effort to establish public awareness of the people's defense can run well. Thus, the model of fostering awareness of community defense in the Bandung city can be used as a model for other regions to carry out a state defense program that involves the participation of the whole community. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.